Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can go live on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then logged into your account. There you will get a live options of over here. So you have to simply, if when you get a live option in your account, you have to simply click on the plus icon at the bottom. You can see over here. Click on that, and then you will comes in this section, and you have to do is simply click on this bottom option over here, live option. Click on that, and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. In down menu you can see over here voice chat. You can create a group, like add peoples, and then go live. And if you see over here device camera, you can simply come on the camera and do some practical things, or like you want to do and entertain people, so you have to do on this. And if you want to play games over here, so you can as well do it on this. So as you can see, this connects with the studio on your phone, or like on the PC. So then it's gonna be going on a live game on TikTok. Or as well, you can see the third option called live studio. You can as well do by live studio on sharing camera as well, or get download link of live studio on TikTok. It's super easy. If you want to go with the device camera, or like you want to uh, do practical things, or like entertain people, you have to simply click on go live. And then as you can see, 1 2 3 and 3, it's gonna be live on TikTok. As you can see, I am right now live on TikTok. So you can see, you can invite peoples as well, or like you can manage a bunch of options over here. So that's it. And you can see over here my live is done. So whenever you want to go live on TikTok, you can do as well from here. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.